Welcome to the in front of me Nokia X20, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere application on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store to get the Ampere application. So here into the search pool enter the Ampere, and now we have to get this application. So tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and installing. Now just open the app, click here yes I agree, pick close, here click to OK on the left down corner, and now you can see the information about the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28 and 5. And also here we got the other information like the device model, Android version, battery health, capacity, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.